rent a place for vacation, and the last thing most of us think about is whether we're being watched.
When I go to a hotel, I might look in the shower, look in the closet, but y'all recommend that people look even more than that?
Yes, definitely.
Spy Center Security in Plano outfitted this place with hidden cameras to show us how difficult many of them are to detect.
You have the camera lenses here, and then the other two, one's an infrared illuminator to see at nighttime, and then the other one's the motion sensor.
It is a notebook that can hide in plain sight.
The battery life on this one's pretty intense because it can actually go to sleep when there's no motion, and it can potentially last years.
And open it up, and this is just a regular, if someone pulled this off the shelf, it looks like a regular portfolio.
Yeah. I mean, you could take notes in here, or, it's just a normal 2-ring binder, so you could put anything you wanted in there.
But take a closer look at it.
So the SD card and all of the controls and everything go in right here.
This is a bedroom, and you'd never know it, but there are 3 cameras watching us right now.
Yes, sir.
The most impressive is this DVD player.
And this is an actual functioning Blu-ray player here. So what we have is, again, a high-definition camera that can record directly to an SD card, but then also connect to Wi-Fi, so you can see it remotely.
This looks like I'd buy it off the shelf.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the camera on this?
So this one is a little tricky. You'll notice it's actually hidden. I'm even having a hard time finding it here. It's actually right here. And what they do is they literally buy a Philips Blu-ray player. So this is normal from Philips, and then they modify it and put all the equipment inside the case there.
That little black pedestal there under the vase is a wireless hidden camera. And doubtful you'd look twice at this key fob and Bluetooth earpiece, but both of them have HD cameras inside.
We have pens, we have video glasses, you have stationary devices, obviously like air purifiers.
Michael Deere owns the security firm and showed us tiny cameras hidden in AC adapters, Bluetooth speakers.
You still have some desk chargers, where you plug in your iPhone.
This isn't paranoia.
You can see us and hear us okay?
Yeah, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Just ask Max Vest.
When I was getting in bed, I noticed the 2 little boxes plugged into the outlets and wasn't sure what they were, so kind of unplugged them and looked them up and found out they were cameras and they had memory cards in them.
Max found 2 hidden cameras in the bedroom of an AirBNB he rented in Miami. He popped out the 2 memory cards and took them to police. AirBNB told us this host has been removed from our community and added that we require hosts to clearly disclose any security cameras in writing on their listings.
This wasn't a negative experience. This was a criminal act.
AirBNB says it forbids cameras in bedrooms and bathrooms and says cameras cannot be hidden in public places either.
All I could think was my life is over.
But hotels have had their own problems. A young woman is suing after video of her showering at a Hampton Inn in New York ended up online. The hotel is working with police to identify who did it. And look at what happened in South Korea. 1,600 hotel guests were secretly streamed live for months until investigators busted the 4 men behind it in March.
Invasion of privacy is extremely serious because the internet is written in ink, and once it goes out into the web, it's never coming back.
Shannon Schott is Max's attorney.
We're not on a mission to end Airbnb or to, tell people not to use their services. It's a great idea. It's a great concept. They just need to do a little bit better.
But what are you supposed to do?
So this is actually a bug detector and also a camera finder.
You can buy a gadget to sweep a room like this and look for those tiny little lenses.
Going crazy over there.
Or a frequency detector to pinpoint devices that emit Wi-Fi signals. Experts also suggest unplug devices, turn them around, or just put a towel over anything you suspect. Technology has made cameras smaller and easier to conceal, which now requires travelers to take vigilance on vacation. In Dallas, I'm Jason White.